There was once a boy named Arjun who lived in a small town. He was smart but lazy. Every morning his mother would wake him up and say, "Arjun, get up. Do something useful with your time." But Arjun always replied, "Just 5 more minutes, Ma." Those 5 minutes turned into hours. He would lie in bed, scroll through his phone, watch videos, and daydream. He had many dreams. He wanted to be rich, successful, and respected, but he never worked for them. He thought, "One day I'll start, just not today." One afternoon, Arjun went to visit his grandfather, a retired army officer who lived in the village. His grandfather was a disciplined man who woke up at 5 a.m. every day, even though he was over 70 years old. When Arjun arrived, he yawned and said, "Grandpa, life is boring. I feel tired all the time. I have no motivation." His grandfather smiled and handed him a small rusty box. "Open it," he said. Inside, Arjun found an old alarm clock and a note that said, "Discipline is doing what you must do even when you don't feel like it." Grandpa looked at him and said, "This clock helped me wake up during cold nights, long marches, and hard days. Every time I heard its ring, I wanted to stay in bed, but I got up because my dreams were bigger than my comfort." That night, Arjun thought deeply. No one had ever explained laziness like that before. The next morning, he set the alarm clock for 6 a.m. When it rang, his body begged him to sleep, but he remembered the note. He got up. It was hard, but he did it. He started small. Day 1, he cleaned his room. Day 2, he read for 15 minutes. Day 3, he exercised for 10 minutes. Slowly, his habits changed. Laziness didn't disappear overnight, but it got weaker every time he took action. Weeks passed. Arjun's mind became sharper. His energy increased. His confidence grew. One day, his friends asked him, "Bro, how did you change?" He smiled and said, "It all started with a clock and a choice." Moral of the story: laziness is not a permanent problem. It's a habit, and habits can be changed. Start small, be consistent, and remember, action creates motivation, not the other way around.